Introducing the Laifen Wave electric toothbrush. To start, tear off the sealing strips from the bottom of the box. Inside the box, you'll find the toothbrush handle, 3 brush heads, the manual, and a magnetic charging cable. Now, let's get started. If the toothbrush is out of power, please charge it before use. The power indicator will blink while the toothbrush is charging. Once it is fully charged, the indicator light will turn solid green. During use, you can check the power indicator to see how much power is remaining. When turning on the device for the first time, long press the power button for 2 seconds to disable the factory set flight mode. When traveling, you can long press the button for 2 seconds to re-enable flight mode and prevent the toothbrush from accidentally activating. To put on the brush head, first, take off the protective cover from the motor shaft. Make sure the brush head is properly aligned with the motor shaft and press the brush head down. It is normal for there to be a small gap between the brush head and the handle. If you need to replace the brush head, hold the brush head firmly and pull it up. This is the toothbrush's seamless pressure-sensitive button. Press it once to start or pause the toothbrush, or twice to switch between brushing modes. You need to press the button with a bit of force to activate it. The toothbrush has a default brushing duration of 2 minutes. Picking up the toothbrush will wake it up from sleep mode and reorientate the brush head. If left idle for more than 10 seconds, the toothbrush will enter sleep mode. Next, let's take a look at the brush heads.